This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शनिवासरः अथवा मन्दवासरः आषाढ कृष्ण त्रयोदशी दिनांक 18 जुलाई 2020 सहस्रयोगं केतकी बलादितैलम् शङ्खं चक्रं जलौकान् तततमृतघ्नं चारुदौर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्यांशुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगदवनः प्रौढदावाग्नीम् प्रौढदावाग्नीयम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रे आद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरथं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापकोऽभिषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रयच्छद्मुनि सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमामि। केतक्यादि तैलं केतकीमूलबलातिबलानां यद्बहलेन रसेन विपक्वं तैलम् अनल्पतुषोदकयुक्तं मारुतम् अस्थिगतं विनिहन्ति। तर्हि यथा मया ह्यः उक्तं यत् एतादृशं तैलं तावत् अस्थिमज्जागते वाते अथवा ऑस्टियोसार्कोमा इत्यस्मिन् व्याधौ उपयुक्तं भवेत् इति मे मतिः। तर्हि तस्य प्रयोगम् अहम् अवश्यमेव करिष्ये। तत्र अर्थविषये शङ्काः वर्तन्ते वस्तुतः, यतः तैलम् अनल्पतुषोदकयुक्तं तुषोदकम् अथवा धान्याम्लम् अल्पानरूपेण प्रयुक्तम् उत तैल सिद्धौ तस्य प्रयोगः कार्यः इत्यद्विषये सन्देहोऽस्ति। किन्तु एलादिगणद्रव्यकल्प तत् सोऽपि तत्र निर्दिष्टो नास्ति वस्तुतः, किन्तु परम्परया अस्य उपयोगः क्रियते इति दृश्यते। तर्हि तदपि साधु, किन्तु मूलग्रन्थे तावत् तस्य विषये निर्देशो नास्ति। चिंसायाः पत्रक्वाथे तु शीघ्रसर्जार्जकैः क्वचित् पञ्चभिर्लवणैः युक्तैः तैलं सर्वाङ्गवातम् चिंसादितैलम्। So चिंसा पत्रक्वाथ शीघ्रसर्जक अर्जक कुठेरक and पंचलवण तिलतैल. So this is quite simple part. Whether this is available Chinchadi Taila. If somebody knows about this. Prepare tail with Sarvangavata. So yes, so it is available. So maybe we try to bring this into practice as such. Kalkas Neha Dravadravya technique specify. So Amlarasatmaka, this is the main thing over here, and Amla rasa is Vatashamaka, there is no doubt about that. Only thing is where to use this kind of taila and where to use other taila. That is another important issue. This Chinchalavana taila is also in use by Datar Guruji. Kottam Chukkadi taila. Yeah. But this seems to be a small part. We'll go later with Kottam Chukkadi. And whenever there is Asti Vriddhi kind of thing, particularly now we have calcium plaques in heart or calcium deposition in some cells like that. And we get a report from sonography or X-ray that there is calcium deposition. In this scenario, Amla Rasa is useful, and I tend to use Kottam Chukkadi in that scenario. But maybe Chinchadi Taila also be used in that particular thing. So let us consider if this is something similar to Kottam Chukkadi and particularly for dissolving Astidhap. Now I am using this Sarchar oil for calcaneal spur as such. Maybe Chinchadi might be an option over there, or even Kottam Chukkadi might be an option. Now, what is to be understood, that is another important issue in calcaneal spur, whether it is Asti Vriddhi or Vikruta Asti kind of thing. And it gets a sharp edge like this Pitta dosha that we may have to consider. But I'm using Sarchar oil for that, and that works better. Prabhanjana Vimardana तैल बला शतावरी शीघ्रु वर्णार्क करंजकाः एरंडश्चैव कोरंटो वादिगंधा प्रसारिणी पंचमूलम वरिष्ठंच तैस्समय कथिते जले पादावशेषते दध्यात् तैलस्यार्धाधिकं भिषक् क्षीरं तद्विगुणं दध्यात् तत्समं दति काञ्चिके तगरामर काष्ठैला शुण्ठि सर्षप चोरकान् नील्युत्पलाञ्जनान्यत्र श्लक्ष्मपिष्टानि निक्षिपेत् स्वपावा कुष्ठसिन्धुत्स रास्ना कालानुसारिका वचा सचितर्कं मांसी सरलं कटुरोष्णि प्रत्येकं कार्षिकान् भागान् प्रतिवापाय खण्डितः तत्संभारेण मृद्वग्नि सिद्धं तिलजम आदरात् पानाभ्यञ्जनगण्डूषे विधेयं वस्तिकर्मिणि अशीतिवातजान् रोगान् हन्यादाशु सुधारणात् एतत् तैलं महावीर्यम् आत्रेय प्रमुखैः पुरा निर्मितं नामतश्चापि प्रभञ्जनविमर्दनम् Cheriye Chinchadi and Valia Chincha both available. Okay. Valia is coconut oil. And Cheriye, what is the meaning? No, sir. Then what is Valia and what is Cheriye? Bruhat Valia. Valia means Murchita oil. Valia is Bruhat. Bruhat, what is Bruhat? Bruhat Patha or something like Valia means Bruhat. I'm not sure what you want to say by Bruhat. Valia Narayan means Mahanarayan. Okay. Laghu Cheriye. Murchita oil. So Valia is Bruhat and Cheriye is Laghu. Like Laghu Panchamur, not Laghu Panchamur, Laghu Manjishtadi and Maham Jishtadi. Valia is coconut oil. recently. Must say. Valia means Maha. Coconut is also Kera Tailam. Okay. Valia means big, Cheria means small. So anyway, everybody is coming to the same point. Valia is Bruhat and Cheria is Laghu or something like that. And coconut is Kera Tailam. Okay, that is fine. So Atreya Prabhukai Pura Nimitam Namatashchapi Prabhanjana Vimardana. So this is Prabhanjana Vimardana. Prabhanjana is Vayu and Vimardana is one which controls Vayu or the woman with the Vimardana of Vayu. Sagara Amarakshata Devdaru. Amarakashta, sorry. Amarakashta Devdaru. Ela Shunki Sarshapa Chora Nili Utpala Anjana Sat शताभा पुष्ठ सिंधुत्थ रासना कालानुसारी कृष्णसारी वचा चित्रक मांसी सरल कटुरोहिणी वंकर्ष इष्टिल तैल टू प्रस्थ बला शतावरी शिग्रु वरुण अर्क करंज एरंड कोरंट सैरेयक वाजी गंधा प्रसारिणी राजबला I've heard Rajabala word for the first time. Panchamulam Varishtha, Bruhat Panchamulam. Shira Dati Kanchika, 2 prastha each. Add 8 times water and prepare Chaturtha Vashishta Kashaya, 2 prastha. And Shira Dati Kanchika and 2 prastha of that Kashaya. Okay. So, and Gruta is also 2 prastha. Pana, Abhyanga, Gandush and Basti. 80 types of Matharona. Was there mention of Gandusha? Panabhyanjana Gandushe Vidheyam Basti Karmani. So Atreya Pramakha Pura Nirmitam Namataschapi Prabhanjana Vimardana. So this is again Atreya. There is a direct mention of Atreya Muni. And it's really wondering that Vagbhata has taken pathas from Atreya and Sushruta. And why there was no tradition of Charaka and Sushruta at all in southern India. This is again really funny. प्रभंजन हा वाताचा पर्याय वापरण्याचा काही स्पेसिफिक कारण आहे का? अग्रसंग्रह मध्ये पण रसोन प्रभंजनानाम प्रभंजन असे आहे. प्रभंजन means one which has a capacity to destroy. Bhanjana is to destroy. So that kind of Vata dosha, it is capable of burst recently. Okay. So this part is particularly Santarpana and Apatarpana both, Prabhanjana Vimardana. And may be used for varieties of Sida Veronicula, one of the variety of Bala according to Acharya P.V. Sharma. Okay. So we have Bala, Atibala, Nagabala, and Mudrika. Don't remember, there are 4 Balas, but Rajabala I have not heard up till now. Okay, but anyway, Prabhanjana Vimardana oil is available in the market, and Mahabala. Yes, Mahabala. That was, I was not remembering that. So better to use this in varieties of diseases. And Atreya Nirmita, this has been dropped in translation, but that might be useful for us. Chinchadi Taila. So what is the difference between the previous Chinchadi and this Chinchadi? Chincha Mandaka Sareni Varunaka Snubhanu Gandirika Jambiri Shatapatra Gunjan Rased Jadhamna Shuktanvite Siddhartha Mardar Shigra Lavanair Vishwanvite Kalkitai Tailam Siddham Ashiti Vata Vipate Chinchadi Shigram Jay. Big part. This is Valiya. So now this is previous maybe cherry as small part. But Chinsadi, Valia and cherry both are available or not? So I am not sure. Anyway, I have downloaded the app of AVS and Vaidyaratnam yesterday. Ganesh, I asked Ganesh, and so I downloaded it, and we'll come to know about both available. Okay. Chinsa Lavana Taila. But that's a different, that's only Chinsa and Lavana. What Datar Guruji has been using. So this is still different. So Chinsa Lavana can be easily prepared at home. That's not an issue. And so Siddhartha Shweta Sarshapa Amarnaru. Chinsa Lavana is groundnut oil base. That is yet another important aspect. We have to see whether Datar Guruji has made some explanation about groundnut oil because he was using it. So whether he said something about Rasaviri Vipak or use as it in no volatile base. But I have also heard it groundnut oil. So let us see in his books with which kind of oil he has used, particularly for Chinsala Vanatai. So we have to think about that. Yeah, that is what I am feeling. Chinsala Vanatai is Shengdana tail base. And herein, Limay Maharaj, this is the traditional massages for 6 generations. For 6 generations. And he is strictly using only groundnut oil for massage. And all his followers are also doing the same. So Samir Jamdangi once tried to analyze the cases and try to say about what will be the properties of this kind of groundnut oil, etc. And the results are only groundnut oil massage only. And varieties of Vatavyati he was adding. Now I don't know in next generation whether people are still practicing it. Hargauli May was a lawyer and he was doing this as a service to humanity, even at the age of 75 plus. So this was a dedicated work, and this was going on for last 6 generations. So this is really amazing. So we may have to think about this, and why particularly only groundnut oil. But I have met Haribol Jume and talked to him. So when Kotorkar is one of his students, who is practicing massage. So anyway, बढ़ते में पृथ्वी माधव प्रधान. Yeah. For Chinchalavan and Chindanathil. Yeah. So I also remember to read that. Prithvi Jala, I think that is thing because he was knowing Tilatel, there is no doubt about that. So instead of Tilatel, he was particularly has used Goetic or groundnut oil. This more affinity to Asti and Majja, so probably Purishadhara Kala, Astidhara Kala may be also be taught in the Basti. Appa Shastri Sathe has also praised groundnut oil. Yeah. So we may look for this Appa Shastri Sathe's book, whether he has thrown some light on groundnut. SNA is also good pharmacy. It has some products which are not prepared by any other pharmacy. And also look into SNA app. Okay. Yeah, told me. And now this is there is a shop that sells this in Sadashivpet. So there is an access to the medicines. So anyway, I will also download that app as such. Anyway, I was thinking about the formation of society and making a group of people interested in this. I had a talk with Mangesh Thamke, who is in Kolhapur, and he's practicing in Kolhapur. His home is in Thamkewadi, which is a small village around 25 kilometers away from Kolhapur. And he has cows, he has farms, and recently he has taken loan of 20 lakhs rupees from a bank and has ordered equipments on large scale for large scale manufacturing. So I thought that this is a good way that we support him. Anyway, he is my and he has cows, he has farms. He can increase the number of cows. He had just one cow, but he is going to purchase another giri cow. And maybe we can put some more cows into that. A major issue is supply of desi cow ghee. The thing is, the pharmacies like AVS, ABP, or Vaidyaratnam and other are producing large quantities of ghee. Those are all Jersey cow based. And at least they should get some supply of desi cow ghee and maybe at a higher cost. They sell it separately. Or we start preparing the ghee which we require most, like Mahakalyan, etc. and start circulating it among ourselves. So I just don't want to think it in a small way. Generally, whatever I think, think in a very broad way. So Datar Guruji also prepared coconut oil as base in other oil preparations like Rajani oil, Pancha Kashaya oil, Chaturtaka oil, etc. I'm not aware of Panchakashaya and Chaturtaka oil. Anyway, so what I am proposing right now on Monday, it's Amavasya, so we are not going to have a class on Monday of Charaka Samhita. But I will ask Shushru to prepare a questionnaire, Google Doc form, and regarding your information, and those who are interested may fill up the form and join the meeting. That we'll have a meeting like this only 6:30 in the morning, but not Charak Vachana. We'll go for the concept of forming a society or doing something else in this. So my plan is those who have farms and those who have cows, they should mention about how much is the farm, how many acres or something like that. How many cows do they have? Is there any possibility of increasing the cows with manpower and other things? And over a period, can they supply ghee particularly? This is one aspect. Then they should be engaged in natural farming and whatever produce they may have as per the season, as per the desha, maybe rice, maybe dal, maybe wheat or jawar or nasmi, whatever it may be, or something like that. So whether they are able to make it produce 100% natural. So one thing is certain that everybody should be very honest. We should not compromise with the quality. We should not get deterred from our determination. That if it is not available, you just say don't not available. But no fake business should be done. So this is to be making a vow that we'll go only for natural farming, and side by side there can be other things like we can grow turmeric and til in our Konkan area. Now this year we have planted til and nasmi in our area. So til has varieties of advantages. We can get the taila, that is one thing, and secondly, the paint can go for the cows. So if you have sufficient quantity of tiller, then this should be better. In Konkan, we can have rice, that is also possible, but I have not been able to control it from Pune, so that has become a problem for me. But whatever is possible, there are varieties of problems like rats and monkeys and many other things. So turmeric and tiller and nasli, these are the crops which are not affected by these. So we can go for that. Maybe adrak also. And in a restricted farm surrounded by adrak and turmeric, we may plant this boimuk or groundnut. I have my nephew who is in Vella, and we are also trying to approach the nearby farmers. There also there is a desi cow farm. We want to, he has already increased the size of the farm to accommodate more cows, so it's extended. And there is a feasibility of bringing milk to Pune. So that is yet another important aspect over there. and we go for side products as such, like Rasala, Mastwa soap, etc. So I'm thinking of that, but let us see. The rates are very high nearby Pune, and it's very difficult to trust whom to trust and nearby Pune. So there are many cases of deceiving. So we have to be very cautious about that. Another fellow just called me yesterday. He's going to be going for a very big farm, 90 acres land and 100 cows to begin with. He has found one investor who has invested 10 crore rupees. But then this will be a commercial activity. If somebody is putting that much money, then this is going to be definitely a commercial activity. It's not going to be general or something like that, or making it available at a reasonable cost. But anyway, there are people thinking like this, so there is a vast scope for that. So what I propose right now is those who are having farms and who are ready to switch over to only natural farming, and depending upon the season and the region, what kind of crops they can have and what kind of other things like this turmeric or tiller or something else. You can, sir, there is no problem. And there are already people who are interested in this, and I'm just looking for that. So anyway, this is yet another important aspect. So what we require is natural food. So rice, dal, jawar, nasni, wheat. These are some things that we are interested, and around that we may go for kumari and haldi and adrak and brungaraj, etc., etc. So this can be possible. Here in Kalyan, few Vaidyas have started farm and Goshala near Kalyan and Murbad and making Panchagavya, etc. products, even supplying pure cow milk to Kalyan, and even taken many farmers under them to help them. That is fine. So maybe we think on a broader scale, and this will be a kind of syndicate. There will be many groups working under one umbrella. That might be a possible thing. Only thing is no vested interest to be entertained. So we should be dedicated to our work. Our main work is, of course, our practice, Ayurvedic practice. So dedicated to Ayurvedic practice, this is one thing. So near our house is Somo. Someshwar Nagar, there is Rajasthani people. There are who have only desi cows. They sell milk at rupees 40 rupees. Can it be helpful in some way? Where is Someshwar Nagar? Which area? सर आज तुम्हाला कॉल केला तर चालेल का? किती वाजता चालेल? May call immediately after this. That is fine. Baramati. Okay, so this is quite near. And 70 kilometers from here. That's fine. Anyway, in Baramati, the Appasaheb Pawar, the elder brother of Sharad Pawar, he's no more, but his son Rajendra Pawar and his wife, they are working in a educational institute. They have big educational Sankul, and they are interested in natural farming. They are interested in propagating Ayurveda at school level. So they are demanded for syllabus for 5th to 7th standard. I'm working on that. And if anybody of you are interested in this, that let me know. काठियावाडी लोक नाशिकला पण गीर गाय पालन करतात. Okay, whether they are stationed or they keep on moving. This is yet another important aspect. And we have to think of other products as well. This Gomaya or this Agnihotra, that is yet another important aspect. Now, I left the concept of Agnihotra because the timing was not suitable. It's early morning, it's Suryodaya and Suryasta, so I used to be out of house in the evening, and in the morning there used to be this lecture. But now I feel that anyway we can do it, not on Suryodaya or Suryasta, but whenever it is possible. Now it is possible to have it on Suryasta because I had changed my schedule. And Suryodaya, it's difficult because it's our lecture time. But maybe before and after, I can go for this Agnihotra at home. And for this, again, these are useful. We can go for this Gonai concept. So reducing the unnatural entities from whatever way, in whatever way. I've listened to this video of Dilip Kulkarni and his wife, and Purnima Kulkarni, who is a Vaidya. And they have dedicated their life to Paryavaran. And it was amazing video. He delivered a lecture in paint, and it was video shooted. So somebody had shared the link to me, and I could find time to go through that yesterday. Station नाव सध्या दूध घेतोय त्यांच्याकडून. Okay. So this is fine if there's station. Agnihotra Bhasma has medical properties. Yes, definitely. On Adidevika treatment, it is of use. So this Dilip Kulkarni and Purnima Kulkarni, he has said about 4R for this environment. One is refuse. So whatever is unnatural, that is to be refused first. And whenever there is an alternative from natural is available, we go for natural alternative. Like bucket, plastic bucket is there and steel bucket is there. We go for steel bucket even though it is faster. So this is one thing, refuse. Second thing is reduce. When it is not at all possible to go without unnatural, then keep it minimum. With what minimum you can do it, that we have talked about. Then is the reuse. So he is traveling only by ST bus, normal ST bus, and he preserves the tickets, uses the back part of the ticket for writing anything, and then collects them and goes for recycling. So recycling is another important issue. So reuse and then recycle. So lower grade paper will be created from that instead of going for cutting of trees, etc. etc. So this Chatusutri I have today morning put audios in Marathi and English both for this Swadeshi, particularly for this. In Gujarat, attended one seminar where I came to know many Vidyas do Agnihotra every morning with Guruchi, Kanda, etc. Vanaspati, and then use Bhasma in medicine. Give it to almost every patient, and result they said are better than before. Even no number of patients heard this from Damania sir. Now, this is a regular tradition even in Coimbatore. So Tattva Prakashini, these are the courses conducted of 15 days, and they offer it at a very cheap price. So every day there is yaga with herbs, and this is a simplified method. Like Agnihotra has been made very simplified now. So only two mantras: Suryaya Swaha, Suryaya Idam Namah, Agneye Swaha, Agneye Prajapataye Swaha, Prajapataye Idam Namah. So very simple, and like that we can offer vanaspatis in this and use that bhasma. Anyway, I was doing Dhanvantari Yaga every year. This year only I couldn't do it because due to this lockdown. And we use that Dhanvantari Yaga bhasma for our patients regularly, particularly those who require Adidaivika kind of aspect. So we may try to revive this. And I'm reading this Krishnajit Kollatkar's book on Patanjali Yoga Sutra. And yoga is also a Vedika parampara. Brahma Sutra Shankara Bhashya is also a Vedika parampara. And Ayurveda also is a Vedika parampara. So, Veda or Atharva Veda or Veda, something like that. And then this Yajna Sanskriti is one of the part of this Aryans or Vedic Sanskriti, etc. So we may start doing these things, and if not properly on Suryodaya and Suryasta, at least start doing this in our houses. And if it is possible, do it at Suryodaya Suryasta. That is fine. But else, you can do it at a suitable time. But doing is something is better than ajibat nothing. So this is how it is said. So do something that is important aspect of something. So what we'll do, Sushruth will circulate this form on this Telegram group. Those who have some harm, have some facility, etc., they mention it like that. Those who do not have a farm or no facility like this, they may just be interested in investing money in this and they can support financially. अभिजित मुहूर्तवार करता येईल का मग अग्निहोत्र. अभिजित मुहूर्तावर करता येईल का मग अग्निहोत्र. What is Abhijit Muhurta? I don't know. If it is, you can explain if you know. Agnihotraची information कुठे मिळेल? Everything in is Google. So you search Agnihotra and you will get lot of information about Agnihotra. And there are people who are totally dedicated to Agnihotra. So you can definitely find them. That's not an difficult issue at all. So somebody may throw light on Abhijit Muhurta. What is Abhijit Muhurta? And between 11:45 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. Okay, one may see if it is possible or not. That might be the timing of the cleaning. Actually, it requires just 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. But when we are in work or something like that, then PDF GS receiver post okay. So there are quick actions. So this can be done easily, and anyway, we are doing dhupana in our clinic every day before we start the clinic, and this is particularly for this coronavirus, something like that. Which are the apps for AVS and AVP? I'm not aware about AVP. AVS, you can go Play Store and AVS Kottakkal you type, so you will get that app. And the same thing is about Vaidyaratnam. So you can definitely download. JSVC 2 करण्याऐवजी एकच, that is fine. Abhijit Muhurtam also changes, and in Wednesday, no Abhijit Muhurta comes. It is a Muhurta where good things can be done. Now, in every day, there are this, I'm not sure what this is called, but it keeps on changing. Five types of periods, and two are good, something like that. Maybe Mayuri or Kaukshik can throw light on this. And we can see it in Panchanga, which Muhurta is there. And at least, if not Suryodaya Suryasta, we can go for this kind of Muhurta. But then we have to see the Panchanga for that. So instead of making it more clumsy, Manakputam Samacharit. This is one of the sutras. So if your mind is clear, then you can go for any Muhurta as such. Any time is good time. So a telegram वर केले तर, I don't think any problem is there. Telegram group has been created by Vinod Bharti. So he is admin over there. So only I said gap of half hour. Please post in JSVC 1 because I am not in JSVC 2. No, whatever will be posted on JSVC 1, that will be posted on JSVC 2 as well. Simply Sandhi Kala. So anyway, we understand the importance of Agnihotra and start doing it. That is one of the important aspects of this. And so again, I come back to my point. We'll create a form, Google Doc, and we'll circulate it on Telegram group. And those who are interested should fill up the form, and with whatever facilities, etc., they have. And let us make it a combined activity, not a particular only one organization. But there will be one umbrella organization, and all others will be working under that. We'll see how do we go for legal status for this, whether it is a society, whether it is a partnership, whether it is a company, or whatever it may, or something like that, or a trust. Sir, the Rakshogna Dhupa Kandi, of Manakarnika does not burn very nicely. Which dravyas do you use for Dhupana? We can use Vacha, Churna, and Karpura. Now, this Karpura that is available is synthetic actually. We need to use Bhimseni. But we have powder from our Konkan area. So for us, there is not a problem. But you get, of course, this Gauri for Agnihotra ready-made from Desi cow. JSVC is on Telegram, only one, easy to coordinate. And JSVC 2 equal to JSVC on Telegram. Discard JSVC on WhatsApp. No, only thing is, this is a group prepared, Telegram group is prepared by, one will be more convenient. That is fine. So it is by Vinod Bhartiya. So we need to talk to him about this. I asked my father-in-law if it is Gajanan Maharaj Agnihotra, then sunrise and sunset timings given in our Panchanga can be used for doing Agnihotra. Gajanan Maharaj Agnihotra. I don't know what is Gajanan Maharaj Agnihotra. If these timings are there, there is no doubt. One window for communication. Okay. So Suryodaya, Suryasta of Pune, Solapur, etc. are given. And these also you can find in net and download them once for all. For every year we have to do that. No sir, we create our own GSVC on Telegram. So there are varieties of things. Right now we'll share it on Telegram and then we'll see. Willow sir can change setting. That is true. So we should have our own controls. So we may go for a Telegram group because GSVC, this WhatsApp group has only 256. So if we have our own Telegram group, that will be better. Allow everyone to post. Yeah. So at least everybody should be dedicated. That is a minimum required thing. Everybody should be honest. That is another important aspect of this group. Later on, we don't want to have headache of somebody going in a very strange way or something like that. So no vested interest should be there. Gajanan Maharaj Agnihotra is that you stated before, only chanting two mantras, Suryaya Namaha and Prajapataya Namaha. So that is what generally is propagated now, and that is at Suryodaya and Suryasta. So that is fine. I am referring to that only. So this is simplified. I don't know whether Gajanan Maharaj has started this. I heard the word for the first time. So it's good if there is somebody who has done this. Shivpuri near Akkalkot Swami, Akkalkot Solapur Gajanan Maharaj Samstha. Yeah, near Akkalkot. No, the one is Shegao, Gajanan Maharaj. So I don't know whether this has association with that. And even this Narendra Maharaj from Nadis is also a disciple of Gajanan Maharaj. He has established a big temple of Gajanan Maharaj in Nadis. In long run, Telegram only is good, just make it open. For all sending messages and then discard WhatsApp GSVC. WhatsApp GSVC. अग्निहोत्र लेडीज ने के कर के तर चलते क्या asking as not aware of this. Even ladies can do these things. That is what my information is. Even tenses post के लिए है. Shegav is in Hanuman Maharaj May. Okay. So anybody can do this Agnihotra, and this creates Paryavarana Shuddhi. So that is beneficial for this natural farming, etc. So if we are able to do it at Suryodaya Suryasta, that is fine. If not, then we may do it at a suitable time, but better to do it. That is the thing. So anyway, we'll work for this and we'll meet like every day on Monday also for discussing this. So everybody be prepared for this, and in what way one can contribute, that one has to think about. As I said, some people may invest money into this. Some people may say, I have land, but there is nobody looking at that land or something like that. Some may work for distribution and propagating this concept, etc. And this Mangesh Thamke may explain about his plans. what he has planned with this 20 lakh loan, and what kind of machinery he has purchased, and what are facilities available with him at this place, Chamkewadi. And if there are many other people like him, then we may think of that. We may concentrate on a particular kind of medicine. Maybe Asavarishta, maybe Gruta, maybe Gutika, maybe Pasma or something like that. So if there are 4 5 avenues, 4 5 locations established for a particular Kalpana, that is also fine. Now Chinmay Kulkarni in Goa has taken a sole distributorship of some company from Kerala for Asavarishta all over Maharashtra. So I'm going to talk to him as well. And I think Etugritha first. No, that is one of the priorities, there is no doubt. But not only that, we'll go for everything. We have a broader perspective. Natural farming in association with all these. And I don't want to take any responsibility as such in this. I'm just the mentor. And I don't want to spend time in administration and management, really speaking. But those who want to get involved in management and administration should be very clean, very honest, and very dedicated to this kind of work. So somebody may look into this aspect as well, or the legal aspect as such. That will be a part of administration. So that might be thought of by some people. So in which way we can propagate that we have to think. And if natural food is available to every person in this group, if medicines, very good quality medicines at a reasonable price are available, that should be fine. One may decide the percentage of profit. Say, for example, we want to reinvest the profit itself or something like that. And the labor cost has to be paid to whosoever farmer or medicine manufacturer or something like that. Beyond that, when the profit starts coming, we may think of not sharing the profit, investing the profit, and taking it further. So let us be sure about that, what we want to do and how we proceed further. So I think the subject is very much clear, and we should be propagating this concept of reading. Basic is generation of a good Vaidya, and now the number has increased from 30, 40 to 100 or something like that. But again, there should be dedication for this morning lecture and such. And we try to get as many dedicated people joining this as possible. So that will be better thing to do. And besides this, we go for this kind of activity as I suggested. So let us think about this. And what is the time? Already. So we may conclude today and continue on Monday. Not normal lecture, but this lecture, that will be better. आयुर्वेद प्रकांडो निगदित इह हि शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने ताञ्च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् Vaidyavargo Hinunam. No need of separate list. Only thing is we may ask below not to record or not to put it on YouTube. it will remain in our library, but may not be disclosed to others, or we may not record. That is also possible. We just skip this, and but I think if we record, that will be better, because anyway, if we want to go back to what was discussed on that day, etc., etc., then that should be fine. So anyway, we think about that. I will talk to below, and then we decide.